Your Instagram account is gone, no password, no linked phone number, no recovery email, and zero access to those 6-digit verification codes. You think it's over, but what if I told you there is a backdoor into the Meta database that bypasses standard two-factor authentication protocols entirely? Most people are looking at the front door, just staring at the login screen, while the real keys are actually hidden in the device's cached tokens and the internal escalation forms that Instagram doesn't want you to find. So today, we are diving deep into the architecture of account recovery to reclaim what is yours using 3 high-level methods that, honestly, seem like something out of a terminal window. Before we execute the first sequence, I have to be extremely clear. This video is for educational purposes only. We do not advise or condone using any information presented here to infiltrate someone's privacy or engage in unauthorized access. This is about data sovereignty and, really, recovering your own digital life. Now, before we initialize the first bypass method, I need to see who we're working with. Drop a comment right now and tell me, how long has your account been locked? Is it a permanent ban or just a suspicious login hit? I'll be looking through the comments to see which cases are the most urgent. Also, if you want to stay ahead of the algorithm and master these digital fixes, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You definitely don't want to be left out of the loop when the next security patch rolls out. Method 1 involves the session token persistence exploit. When you log into Instagram on a mobile device, the app creates a unique hardware ID that's linked to your motherboard's serial number. Even if a hacker changes your email and phone number, that hardware handshake actually remains in the registry of your phone. By navigating into the deep settings of your device's application manager and clearing the secondary cache while staying disconnected from Wi-Fi, you force the app to look for the last known authorized state. If you're finding this technical breakdown intense, just remember that navigating these digital labyrinths can be risky. If you'd rather have a professional handle the heavy lifting, you can find links to contact certified experts in account recoveries, remote monitoring of your kids' devices for safety, and advanced digital tools in the pinned comments and the video description below. These ethical hackers specialize in navigating the protocols we're discussing today. Moving into method 2, we look at the manual identity escalation route. This is the secret path used by high-value creators when they lose access to their biometrics. Since you don't have a phone number or email, you have to trigger the hidden request support link that only appears after 3 failed attempts on a specific legacy version of the app. This takes you to a secure upload portal where the Instagram AI will scan your physical face against the archived photos on the account. It's a biometric override that ignores the two-factor authentication settings entirely. While we wait for that interface to load, make sure you like this video and share it with someone who is currently locked out of their social life. The more people who know these pathways, the less power the hackers have. Method 3 is the most advanced, the third-party API trusted device sync. This involves using a secondary linked app like a Meta-verified Facebook Business Manager to pull the Instagram permissions through the backend. Since Meta owns both platforms, a verified status on a linked Facebook account can act as a master key to reset the Instagram credentials without ever needing a verification code. This is a powerful strategy that effectively hacks your own account back into your possession by leveraging the cross-platform trust settings. Again, if this sounds like a foreign language to you, don't sweat it. You don't have to do this alone. Check the pinned comment and the description for links to certified experts who provide services for account recovery and remote monitoring for family safety. They have the resources and tools to secure your digital footprint instantly. If you've made it this far, you're now equipped with the strategic framework to think like a recovery specialist. Don't let a lost password be the end of your digital presence. Stay tuned to Fastest Fix for more high-level insights into the world of digital security and account management. Make sure you've subscribed so you don't miss the next deep dive into reclaiming your online identity. Your data is your power. Keep it locked down.